What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We bringing you another banger. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you're a new viewer and this is your first time watching my video, my name is Jonathan Derinor, and I'm here to deliver you something different. Go ahead, if you're a new viewer, click the subscribe button and show your boy some love. Today we will be customizing another slide, and I actually have the slide because I ain't ship them out yet. Boom! Take a look at these. These were actually a lot of fun doing. So today I will be going over how I made this. So stay tuned into the video. Hold on. Before you continue watching, if you haven't, subscribe to your boy, like, and hit the notification bell. Alright guys, let's continue with the video. Yo, thank you so much for finishing my video. I appreciate it so much. Go ahead, leave in the comment section below how you feel about these. Do you like the flag design? Do you like the execution? What other flags you would like me to do? What sneakers you would like me to do? If you have any ideas, anything like that, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. And one more thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, have a blessed year.